Hello everyone, my name is Donald Lim and I'm from HL Traveler Support Team. In this video, I'll show you how to execute multiple traveler tell commands in a file using only the tell traveler run commands. This will be beneficial for those who plan to execute a specific command for multiple users. Now, to show you how to do this, the first step we need to do here is to open a notepad. Then we should type in all the commands we want for traveler server to execute. So as you can see on my screen, my notepad is already open. And again, we should not include the tell traveler part in it. So for example, we need to execute tell traveler dump for multiple users. You can simply type in the notepad dump and then the username. In our case, it's traveler user1 slash HCF. So since we're doing the dump command for multiple users, so I've created 4 more traveler test users. Currently, for the traveler server, there's no single command to dump multiple users at once. So we can perform the tell traveler run commands, which executes the traveler tell commands listed in this file. So let's save it first. In this scenario, we can save it in the desktop and then just name it as userdumps.txt. Alright, so once saved, we now go back to the traveler server console, and then here we can issue the tell traveler run commands. After the tell traveler run commands, we need to type in there the location where we save the file. So in our case, it's in the desktop, so that's C drive users shell traveler, then desktop, and then the user or the file name, so dumps.txt. Alright, so we need to hit enter so that the traveler server will execute all the commands that are included in the text file that we saved. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, the result of the commands that we included in the text file were completed successfully. As you can see here, command dump traveler user 5 for user traveler user 5 successfully saved to this directory. So in order for us to confirm that we have successfully dumped the traveler server, we need to go to the IBM technical support folder. Alright, so program files, HCL, domino, data, IBM technical support folder, traveler, logs, dumps. So as you can see here, we have user dumps for traveler user 1 to 5, and these were generated a minute ago on my system. So this verifies that we have successfully issued the commands that we included on the userdumps.txt file that we saved. That's all for this video, and thank you very much for watching.